Okay, so we've managed to just about prop up the camcorder if it stays put on the printer behind me. 19's busy. And here we are on 31, so we're on the Binatone Speedway. It's a Cybernet 134, it's the lower end chassis without the extra receive stage. This particular set is just absolutely incredible. We've got receive on 10 dB SINAD down to 0.185. It's very rare we get anything like that. Probably only seen another couple sets ever do that. So I know we've got a bit of a silly picture. I've left the tripod in the chapel. Meter, of course, is microscopic on these things. One of the things which I've had to do to this, I think it's a new old stock return, is to change the meter lamp. We've also had to change a capacitor in the back because it's got corrosion. So I had to go 220 microfarads. Let's see if Mr. Chippie's out there. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger, I'll plug my extension speaker in.
Oh, roger that. Let me know when you're ready.
There's only one socket on these because there isn't PA, so it makes it a bit easier to find which one to go in when there's only one. There we go.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger dodger. We're on the factory original mic, only because it's 5 pinned in and I haven't got one made up, which is a standard. So it's the same mic pin out as the 5 pinned ins on the Sapphire X4000.
Alright, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio there's no tone control.
Roger that.
Yeah, and the other one, which is 5'd in, we've got the SMC Oscar 1 and the Barracuda HP 940. It's not the same pin out as Realistic, it's not the same pin out as DNT, and it's not the same pin out as Maxcom. This is drooping, isn't this camera? It's, hope it's not going to fall.
Right, coming up to the end of the lane.
Fall off its perch. Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station and it's closed.
Roger on that.
We now are not square wheeled at Lancaster Crossroads because we're going through it.
Roger on that. Well done.
Top of the hill to go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
We've only got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. going round to Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round to Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
We're on the Binatone Speedway, which is Cybernet 134 set from 1981. Doing a full forward output, and I'm on the factory original copy line over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger on that.
Wilsford level crossing even.
Roger on that, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point, so I'm on this Binatone Speedway, Cybernet 134 set from 1981, doing full forward output during 1.1 amp. We're going to low power set to 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there we are on low power, 400 milliwatts going to 470 milliamps. So that's full power, and there we are back on full power, over.
Yep, roger that, no problems on full power, bit noisy on lower power, but fully readable.
Roger on that, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger.
Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over. Yeah, 141.9, 149.7. I had to look at the set a bit then because you didn't come through at all at first, which is unusual.
Well, set certainly isn't 10-1, there we go. Right, well, thank you, and 10-10.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby Level Crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today at that end, please? Over.
Yeah, 141.9, 149.7. I have to look at the set a bit then because you didn't come through at all at first, which is unusual.
Well, set certainly isn't 10-1. There we go. Right, well, thank you, and 10-10.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
There we go. Right, well, that worked a treat. So we will go through to our base station, which is also Cybernet 134. Same board, different set of knobs there, aren't there? I'll go over to that and see what it sounds like on that factory original mic.
Tango 21 testing the Binatone Speedway into our Midland 76900 base station. I'll say that, shaken not stirred. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll go over to our low power, which is 400 milliwatts. There we go on full low power, testing 1, 2, 3. And go back to full power, there we are on full power. Solely there to see whether we've got a hum, and it would diminish if we went to low power. But these sets don't suffer from that. Right, so there we go. I don't know what we're doing tomorrow, but we've certainly got something for you. Might have got a Falcon SCB 1281. So thanks for watching Binatone Speedway, Cybernet 134 from 1981.